Ay, ang ganda ng exercise machine na yan na tinapon lang ng ating kapitbahay.
Hindi ako makapaniwala guys dito sa exercise machine na tinapon nila sa kalsada.
Uy, pwede natin, can we get this here? Ang ganda nito, oh. Hala, ang dami na namang tinapon. May luggage, may toy. Hindi na natin guys, nandito nilagay ko na yung shoes. Mahal pa naman itong Webster, darling. Ang mga thesaurus.
Get the glucose revolution.
Ang ganda nito, darling.
Hot and cold water dispenser and Whirlpool pa talaga yung brand.
Alaka, gumana siya, guys!
Keep your feet in and press the gas.
I think kasya ang TV. Katatapos lang namin mag-grocery guys at naka $80 tayo. Wow, in a single grocery, one store only, $80.
Did we really get anything? Not so much, right?
That's so much. There's no meat there.
No meat.
So, grabe, ang mahal na talaga ng mga bilihin ngayon. I think lahat tumataas na because of the gas prices. Kasi ano lang yan eh, parang connected yan sila guys. So, lahat nagmamahalan talaga ngayon. Lasing ko na guys. So, sana may maabutan pa tayo kasi minsan may mga nag-iikot din dito ng mga Spanish or ibang lahi, kahit mga Amerikano, nagda-dumpster din sila. So hopefully may last week wala tayong makuha tayong TV pero hindi gumana yung TV last week. Tinapon na lang namin ulit. Did the TV turn on dear or no? You said you couldn't find a remote or something.
No,
Cord?
it didn't turn on.
It wouldn't turn on.
It looks like there's a power button, but there's a red light, but nothing happened. So it's possible it needs the remote, but I don't know. There's probably something wrong with it.
So tinapon na lang namin ulit yung TV na anong brand yun? LG ba yun? Hala guys. Ay, ano? Oh, pwede natin yan ipadala.
Hala ka guys, magagamit ito ng aking mga pamangkin, matutuwa talaga sila dito. Kaya naman hahakutin natin ito para ipadala natin sa Pinas.
Uy, hala, ang dami na namang tinapon. May luggage, may toy, may, ala. Oo, ay, may golf shoes. Hala, kunin natin yung, ay dear. Hala, kunin na natin guys. Nandito, nilagay ko na yung shoes dito. Ay, do you need this dear, oh? Like, hala, we need this. Sama
What's
ka ba?
that?
No, this one? Insulated?
Looks like it.
Oo, insulated.
Some kind of beach bag
Oo.
for your snorkel.
Yes, yes, yes. What else is here? Hala, mga laruan. Ay, game, oh.
End game.
Kunin natin yan. Ano yan?
Another bag.
Ay, another bag?
Mercedes-Benz
Hala,
bag.
may mga ano, darling. Oh. Hala, Webster. Uy, mahal pa naman itong Webster, darling. Uy, may kailangan ito, oh, Webster Dictionary. Hala, kailangan natin.
You're gonna need that for your upcoming.
Interview. Hala, kailangan natin ng mga thesaurus.
Get the glucose revolution.
Oo, Glucose Revolution. Hala, ang daming libro. Kunin natin yan. Okay, kunin natin.
You want a shoe polisher? Shoe polisher.
Where?
Right there.
Is this?
Yeah. You plug it in, you put your
Ay.
you put your shoe under it like so.
Uy, ganda nito, ha?
Si Jan, tignan ninyo, gusto niya talaga kinakalkal lahat. Gusto niyang bubusisiin kasi daw baka may mga jackpot pa sa ibang mga box. Ganito si Jan guys, mamasura talagang pulido talaga. Anything under the sun talaga ang pwede mong makita guys na mga tinatapon ng mga kano kagaya nitong lampshade. Kung masipag ka lang mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Amerika guys, marami ka talagang makukuha na mapapakinabangan pa ng iyong pamilya.
Uy, there's another toy na naman, oh. That's a good toy, ha? Uy, that's a good toy, darling. May mga pillows, may mga toys. Ay, eto, pwede natin to, oh. Ito, oh, magamit ito sa mga bata. Ito, oh. Ay, ang ganda nito, darling. Magustuhan ito ni Jude.
Marami din kaming mga nakikitang mga appliances pero first time ever naming makakita ng water dispenser na tinatapon nila, hot and cold water dispenser, and Whirlpool pa talaga yung brand, guys. Tignan nyo. Pero pansin ko yung mga iba na mga Amerikano, wala silang water dispenser sa kanilang bahay. Siguro Pinoy ang may-ari nun. At saka ito, guys, may namataan kami na electric car. At in fairness, sabi ni John, guys, jackpot daw kami dito kasi mamahalin pala ang mga ganitong klaseng laruan.
Ang ganda nito, oh. Ay, heavy duty. Heavy duty siya, guys. Hala, guys, ang ganda ng electric car na yun, darling, no? Jackpot. It's heavy, ha?
Very heavy.
It's heavy duty. Hala, magugustuhan talaga yun ng aking pamangkin, guys. Ang ganda nun. I think it's $1,000.
Maybe.
Oo, ang ganda talaga. Electric car. Hala, magustuhan ni Jude yun or ni Harvey. Yung pamangkin ko, guys, hindi man lang sila nakatikim ng mga, may mga toys. Pero syempre yung mga 100, 200, hanggang 500 or hanggang 1,000 lang. Pero yung mga toys na tag 10,000 pesos yun or 20,000 pesos, hindi pa nila yan na ano. Kasi syempre yung ibibili mo ng toys, ibibili mo na lang ng bigas, ibibili mo na lang ng pang-ulam, ibabayad mo sa mga bills. 'Di ba? Kaya ako talaga, privilege talaga ako, nagpapasalamat ako na nandito ako sa Amerika at nagkakaroon tayo ng mga ganitong opportunity na makapag-ikot-ikot sa mga kapitbahay natin at makakahanap tayo ng mga
Already been through.
bagay-bagay or umbrella, you said. Kagaya nitong umbrella na ito. Ang dami, puno na yung sasakyan natin, guys. May mga pillows, may mga dictionary, may mga toys, and a lot of everything. Okay, tignan natin kung pwede natin itong magamit yung... Okay, si John na lang. Si John, kukunin niya yung pillow, yung umbrella.
Kasi kapag ka nag-picnic tayo, guys, kailangan natin ng malaking umbrella. Malapit kasi kami dito, guys, sa beach, like 7 minutes lang yung bahay namin. Ayan, tinitignan lang ni Jan kung kumpleto pa yung parts. Ayan, kasi syempre, baka masayang lang ba yung effort natin na dadalhin pa natin yan sa bahay tapos kulang-kulang pala ng mga parts. So, chine-check lang ni Jan anong mabuti yung umbrella. At mukhang okay naman siya, guys. Kaya naman, ilalagay. Sabi ko sa kanya, sige, try lang natin. Malalaman naman natin yan kung hindi siya gagana, guys. Kung sira siya, itapon na lang natin pabalik sa kalsada.
Looks good. No? Ayan. Pero pag may depekto yan, guys, no? Is itatapon na lang natin ulit. Pero ganyan sila dito kahit na walang depekto yung isang item, itatapon na nila, guys. I think because of it's old na, or sometimes they have a new one.
They have a new one.
And then they have to get
space.
taking up space. They have to get rid of the old one. So ganyan ang mga usually nangyayari. Kahit na gumagana pa, tinatapon na nila.
Don't use it for years.
Nakatambak lang ba? So it's added extra space, no? So yun, ganyan ang mga tao dito, guys. Ganyan ang kanilang mentality, ganyan ang kanilang thinking dito. So hindi sila nag-hoard ng mga gamit. So you can find anything talaga on the street, from hose, kagaya nito, table. There's laundry basket. Ayan. There's a table. It's a good table, ha?
Very big table.
Kaso nga lang malaki. Yan,
Computer table.
Computer table.
Too big for the car.
Oo, sayang. Alam mo, kung hindi yun malaki, pwede natin yung kunin. Tsaka wala na tayong space sa bahay kasi our house is small. So, our car is small, our house is small.
Jackpot.
Jackpot na naman. Ayan. Another toy?
No. A work exercise machine.
Hala ka! Wow, another exercise machine na naman! Hala! Palagi talaga kaming nakaka-jackpot ng exercise machine, guys. Ayan, hala ka. Uy, beautiful. Hala ka. Uy.
Wow.
Wow!
That's a big one.
Ay, ang ganda ng exercise machine na yan na tinakapon lang ng ating kapitbahay. Oh, hala. Uy, ang ganda.
Hindi ako makapaniwala guys dito sa exercise machine na tinapon nila sa kalsada dahil tinignan ko online. May mga tag $2,500, $3,000. Sobrang jackpot ka talaga dito. Ang problema lang kasi namin is paano namin ito isasakay sa sasakyan namin.
Uy, pwede natin, can we get this here?
Yeah, but I'm gonna move the car.
Okay, move the car first. Hindi natin pwede palagpasin ito guys. May mga iba pa dito eh. Parang feeling ko may mga sapatos, room essentials. Ano to? Ay, may laman. Ayan, sinakay na natin sa ating sasakyan. Ang TV at saka toy. Ayan guys, ang ganda ng lugar kung saan nagtatapon ng mga magagandang basura dito sa kanilang community. Diba? Natin. Ayan na, may perfect. Ang bigat din itong electric car guys ha. In fairness, magustuhan talaga ito ng pamangkin natin. Lots of toys. More toys dito guys. Oh. Bags and shoes. More dictionary. Ayan. Dictionary. Oh, a lot of it.
Cookbooks.
Tignan natin kung gagana siya.
You're almost there.
Tignan natin kung gagana ito. Hopefully, gumana siya guys.
It won't reach.
Oo. Halaka, gumana siya guys! Halaka, gumana. Gumana ang ating TV. Kailangan niyang i-connect sa ating cable. Perfect. Gumana siya guys. That means it's a good brand.
Need batteries.
Ah, need batteries. Okay.
AAA.
AAA, okay. AAA batteries. Good morning, province. Where's Midnight?
It's in the garden. It's a spot.
Hi, garden kitty. Taas na ng avocado natin, oh. Uy, may sili na naman tayo. Update tayo sa garden ni Johannes and John. Look at our avocados. There's lots of flowers already. I think mamunga na ito mga April or May, mga ganon. Pero ma-harvest yan mga August, September pa. Hi, province. Hi, lovely province. Okay, where's Midnight? Midnight! Ayan. Ito yung bagong trellis na ginawa ni John. Ito yung mga cucumber. Dito sila magkatay, guys. Ayan. There's more vegetables coming. We have long beans. Ay, hindi nabuhi yung long beans. I think na-scam ako nito, guys. Ito yung mga long beans na binili ko sa Amazon. Ito, eggplant. The beans won't grow, yeah.
I have a new set in there.
Nagkakape lang kami dito ni John.
I reloaded it with all new beans.
Yellow bell pepper. Cherokee tomato. Ayan, nagkakape lang tayo habang Ay, ayun pala siya, nagtatago. Hi, garden kitty. Hello. He's the one who's guarding our garden. Ito, anunas. Ang daming bugs dito, guys. How's your hands, fingers?
Swelling's going down.
Going down na, oo. It was red before.
It was.
Ayan, coffee tayo. Papaya natin, I think another 6 months for this. Ayan. Lemon.
Ayan po, lemon. Marami pa rin. There's peach already?
Right there.
Ay, oo nga. Hala ka, may peach na tayo. Only one. Ay, there's another one. No,
Oh,
coming.
they're all over.
Two.
It's just one I noticed.
Mhm.
They're
Ay,
everywhere.
blueberries also.
Yeah, you got berries. They're
Ayan,
actually
oh.
formed now. On the
Ayan.
bottom.
Mm-mm. Wow. Hi. He's so sweet. He's so lovely.
They're a little everywhere.
Mhm.
Different stages.
Meron din tayong green onions over there. Tinanim ni Jan sa may hollow blocks.
No, that's garlic.
Oh, garlic? Garlic pala yan. Looks like green onion.
I took the garlic that started to sprout and just put it in the dirt. And that's what we got.
Mm-hmm. We have lots of broccoli coming. I didn't know the broccoli grows this big. May mga nag-exercise na doon. Magwa-walking tayo, dear. We're gonna go for a walk soon. Maybe. After coffee. Ay, ang daming bunga na rin dito, oh. I mean, ang daming flowers na rin sa avocado na ito. This is our third tree. We have one in front, two in the middle, second in the middle, third in the back. Ang problema kasi nito, guys, last time maraming mga dumadaan dito sa alley na ito. Ninanakaw nila, kinukuhit nila yung ating avocado, which is ito pa naman yung better avocado, dear, no? This is the better one.
Yeah, this one's better.
Oo. Nilagyan lang ni Jan nga ng tali. Ayan, nakita nyo. Kinonect niya sa palm tree. Ayan. So that it will not go on the,
Trying to straighten it.
straighten it. Para hindi siya mag-ano doon sa labas ng fence ba. Kasi yan yung nag-i-encourage sa mga taong dumadaan para nakawin nila. Kasi nga nasa labas nga naman ang fence mo, so technically hindi mo na talaga yan sa'yo. They say according to the law, if it's outside the fence, hanging outside, it's gonna be not yours.
But even then, when he was doing it, it's still in the yard.
May dala talaga siyang sungkit, guys, at saka ninakaw niya talaga, purposely talaga pag nanakaw niya. Hi, Kitty Province! Dito naglalagay yung aming mga pusa sa garden. Sila yung aming caretaker. Ayan. Ay, ito oh, gulang na yung ating green onion. Uy, very happy ang ating guys. Very happy ang ating tanglad. Tanglad is very happy. Ayan. Ito, ewan ko kung ilang years na ito. 3 years na ata itong pineapple natin. Hindi man namunga yan. Ewan ko kung mamunga pa yan. Itong ating bayabas, I think hindi siya mamunga this year. So probably next year. Namulak na ito eh. Pero naudlot ang kanyang pamumulak, ang kanyang pamumunga. Meron pa rin tayong mga star fruits pero not so much. Pinakuha ko na sa kanila yung mga natitirang buko. Pero may isang puno pa tayo sa likod na full of coconut in the back. So if somebody wants to have it, they can go here. Ayan.
Calamansi.
We have lots of
Did you cover the calamansi?
lots of calamansi. Ayan.
The butterflies are always laying eggs, but it looks like it never creates the caterpillar.
We have lots of herbs as well. We have parsley. We have thyme. We have mint. We have rosemary. You know. Soon we will plant more bok choy. Ito na lang po yung natira sa bok choy natin nung nakaraan. More parsley here, mint. We have the cherry tomatoes. Okay.
When they're brown, they're ready to pick the seeds.
We also have here arugula. Ayan, rosemary. Old arugula, ayan. There's ano na seeds with our arugula. What kind of flower is this? Oh, this is Lily. Si Lily Cruz. Hi. You are so sweet, Garden Kitty. Hi, Garden Kitty. Hi, Garden Kitty. You are so lovely. Lily pala ito. Ayun na si Garden Kitty, oh. Dito na yan siya. Diyan lang kayo, Garden Kitty, ha? Inaayos lang ni John, guys, sa itong electric car na nakuha natin sa kalsada para maipadala natin ito sa Pilipinas.
Okay, set it down. Turn on the power button. Other side.
Hi! It's on!
Press the pedal.
Hoy! Ala ka, it's on! I am very happy because gumana yung electric car na nakita natin sa kalsada, guys. This is one of the best finds na nakuha natin sa kalsada. Of course, aside from the TV na nakuha natin, guys, meron din tayo ditong, ang dami pa actually. Uy, ito pala, guys, oh. Sabi ni John, itong bag na ito is, what do you call this bag, dear?
It's on the zipper.
Estee Lauder! Oh, Estee Lauder. Tama ba? Tama ba ang pag-pronouncement ko? Hala ka, guys. Very nice pa talaga ang bag na ito, oh. Hala kasi dyan, nagdula-dula na. Hala, madisgrasya ka, darling.
No brakes.
Walay brake? There's no brake?
No brakes.
Uy, dahan-dahan ka. Ay, wow! Bongga ang nakuha natin. Uy! Don't throw in it. Hala ka, guys. I am very happy. Matutuwa talaga si Jude nito. Wait lang, kunin ko yung cellphone ko, darling, kasi I will video you, darling, ha? Wait lang. Hala, I'm so happy, guys. Ipapadala natin yan sa Balikbayan. Hopefully, magkasya siya sa Balikbayan, ha? Let's see, kasi meron na tayong Balikbayan box dito, guys. Alam nyo, natutuwa ako talaga na may ganitong privilege ako dito na nakapamasura tayo. May sample ako na Balikbayan dito. Tignan natin kung magkasya siya. Wait lang, dear. I'm gonna video you, darling.
You can't ship it because it's got a battery in it.
Ay! Uy, sayang. Nag-prepare pa naman sana ako ng Balikbayan box. But anyway, tignan natin yung TV kung kasya siya. I think kasya ang TV. Pwede nating i-ship ang TV, darling? Ay, maybe it will be broken, no? Kasi ilabay-labay nila ito, eh. Ilabay-labay kasi nila yan, guys. Kaya baka masira siya ba. Inaayos lang ni John. Aayusin lang muna natin ito, guys. Hold on a second. I'm very excited this, guys, for my pamangkin. Because, you know, this is very expensive.
Mm-hmm. Alright, let go.
Alam ko mas marami pa kaming makikita sa kalsada in the future, guys. Medyo madilim yung camera ko, guys. Eh? Kailangan ko na mag-add ng camera. Ayan, i-lock in lang natin. Okay.
Alright.
So,
Turn it around.
Turn it around. Okay, sabay. Sakay ka na.
You're gonna drive it? That's,
No, you will drive
that's
first.
straight.
You will drive first.
I already drove.
Okay, tignan natin si John. Ano, guys, gumana siya. Tignan nyo si John. Aha. Wow! Oh, diba?
Be careful.
No, I don't want to try.
This will be your first driving lesson. There's the tree.
Aha! So, sige, ano daw, dear? Can you teach me, dear?
You have a gas pedal,
Where?
and your brake is when you let off, but it doesn't slow down very fast. So
Right.
only give it a little bit, and steer straight. If you want to be daredevil, you turn the wheel, and it'll spin you around because the back wheels swivel.
One more time down? I don't really get it. Uh-huh.
But it's not really a brake.
It's not really a brake.
Your brake is if you spin around.
Mm-hmm.
The thing's really dangerous, actually.
Maybe it's not good to give.
You're the daredevil here. It doesn't have much power, but it'll get up to speed.
Mm-hmm. So when you brake, you let go, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't really brake. You just stop giving it power.
Mm.
Press the gas. Pick your feet up.
I'll just do it there. Kapag first time ka talaga guys no sa mga ganito, syempre matatakot ka rin kasi baka makabuylo ka, no, madiretso ka doon, 'di ba? Madisgrasya ka pa.
Keep your feet in and press the gas. Yeah.
Hi guys. Ganda to. Wow.
I guess that's why they call it the crazy cart.
One more time. Hi! Marunong na ako mag-drive.
Turn the wheel. It'll spin around. It's too late now. You already lost your momentum.
Ayan, tignan ninyo guys. Pinagsabihan na ako, pinagalitan na ako ni John. Hindi ko na kaya. Ayoko na. Sa susunod naman, hindi ko na dinriban guys. Binitbit ko na siya. Mahirap talaga guys, no? Sa umpisa yan, sabi ni John, paano ka matututo kung hindi mo siya susubukan palagi? Ito na nga daw ang perfect opportunity para makapag-try ako mag-drive. Ito yung first step. Sabi ko, parang natatakot talaga ako guys.
Turn the wheel to the right.
Accident na naman.
Already?
Oh no. Okay, that's it.
Hit the gas. Turn the wheel straight.
Oh.
You got an arrow, shows you.
Wow.
You keep turning the wrong way. You got to turn to the right. So
Went to the ano.
so you get it off of the sidewalk. Yeah.
That's good.
Driving's going to be a real challenge.
Mm-hmm.
You can't be a driver. We have a lot of learning to do. Which way to turn, how not to hit the corner, know where you're at.
Pero mahirap talaga guys. Sa totoo lang, nahirapan talaga ako.
Sabi ni Jan, bawal daw pala itong ipadala sa Pilipinas kasi may battery siya. So kung sino yung mga kababayan natin dito sa US, punta kayo dito sa bahay at kunin ninyo. Guys, tignan ninyo ito oh. Meron kaming nakuha pala kahapon na insulated bag. Ayan, magagamit natin ito kapag nag-picnic tayo. Dear, this is perfect when we picnic. Look. Because we're gonna put soda. We're gonna put a lot of cold stuff in here. And then sandwiches, soda. Ito pala, Estee Lauder pala ito guys. Maganda ito ha. Linisan lang natin ng konti ito. And then may sapatos din dito. Another bag, ayan. AARP bag. And then may sapatos din dito oh. Ay, perfect ng sapatos na ito. Wala mang sira guys. Walang sira yung sapatos na ito. Eco yung brand niya. Not sure if it's branded. Ang ganda na. Doctor's bag ata ito. Parang doctor's bag. Wala mang sira. Ayun oh. Lalabhan lang natin ito. Then ipamigay natin. Ayan. Lalabhan natin yan guys. So china-charge lang ni Jan itong ating pero dangerous daw talaga ito guys eh. Dangerous yan. So huwag na natin ipamigay. Lagay muna natin itong balikbayan sa loob. I-try kung sinukat yung TV. Kasi yung TV dito, pwede ba ipadala yung TV sa Pilipinas? Kasi mahal yung TV na yan eh. The TV is expensive. No? Ayan.
Everything costs money.
Ala, ito na nilagay na pala ni Jan. You didn't even video this. Jan already vacuumed.
You videoed it yesterday, no?
Yeah, but when you vacuum, you have the video, darling. Everything is videoable. Everything is YouTube now. Everything is vlogging. Sabihin ni Jan, hahabwain ko na naman yan. Uy, the dictionary also, we have to give it to the Philippines. Webster Dictionary. And the Thesaurus or Thesaurus? Dinosaurus daw, sabi ni Jan. Ito. Kailangan natin to. Ay, kinunik pala ni Jan yung ating dish. Yan. Gumana yung TV, guys. Tignan natin, i-on natin. On ba? Naka-power on. It won't turn on the TV. Na-on ito nung nakaraan. Inibot ni Jan. Kasi nag-charge siya dito. Okay, mamaya na lang. Meron tayo ditong Thesaurus and Webster Dictionary. Naalala ko dati guys, nung high school ako, umutang pa talaga yung lolo ko para makabili ako ng Thesaurus or Webster's Dictionary kasi kailangan ko. Or college ata ako nun. Tapos nasangla ako, hindi ko na siya nakuha. Yun yung malaking pagkakamali ko. Ayan guys, Thesaurus. Ayan. Dictionary and also words. And tanggalin ko na lang to. Ay, bago pa talaga guys. Webster's New World College Dictionary. Kung kailangan ninyo ito guys, mga kababayan ko dyan sa Pilipinas, kung nangangailangan kayo ng Webster's Dictionary, let me know ha, kaibibigay ko ito sa inyo ha. Kasi hindi ko naman magamit ito. May mga iba kasi Johannes, okay, new technology na tayo ngayon. Ano tawag dyan guys, sa new technology? High-tech na tayo ngayon. Bakit mo pa kailangan yan? Yes, kailangan din natin ito kasi yung iba sa mga remote areas, kagaya ng mga kababayan natin na walang internet, walang electric, especially, they still need to use Webster's Dictionary or Thesaurus. And mas maganda, alam mo guys, dear, it's better if we have our own knowledge from the book instead of relying on ChatGPT, relying on internet, because like nowadays people are very lazy. When they have something to ask, when they do the research paper, when they do the assignment, they rely on internet.
So this is really still, dear, this is really still good. This is really still good.
Yeah, they're
I
brand
mean,
new.
for some, yeah, I mean, for some people, like I said, if they are in the remote area, if they're in the rural area, remote and rural is the same. Like remote is very
Yeah.
provincey. So they will need this. So, kababayan ko, if you need this, I will give it to you. Okay? And for the US, for the Philippines, I cannot give the TV, ha? And I cannot give the electric car. But if you're in the US, at kailangan mo yun, let me know, kunin mo lang dito sa bahay. We will give it away kasi hindi naman namin yun magagamit. And this one, ibigay ko sa pamangkin ko. Ayan na po yung ating, what do you call this? Beads? What do you call this?
Bean bags.
Bean bags. Ayan. Dalawa po yan, yung turtle at saka yung turtle and, what's the other one?
I forget.
Frog. Turtle and frog na
Yeah,
bean
the big
bags. Ayan. So,
Where's all the dirt from?
I don't know. Maybe from the bean bag. Ilalagay, ito na lang yung mga ilalagay natin sa balikbayan. We will do more scavenging. At pag may nakuha tayo guys na kailangan ninyo, let me know ha. No? Dati mga nakakuha kami ng maraming libro talaga guys. Maraming mga educational materials. Mayroon din dito actually, mga free library. Pwede nating daanan yan pag nagja-jogging tayo. Manguha tayo ng mga magagandang books, magagandang mga storybooks, mga coloring books. Kasi marami tinatapon talaga. So that's it for now. Balik pamamasurap, balik scavenging, balik dumpster diving na si Johannes. And hopefully in the future makakuha tayo ng maraming jackpot para ipamigay natin sa inyo. Huwag nyo na lang ako i-bash guys ha. Bakit ako namimigay ng mga galing sa pamumulot ng basura? Kasi guys, maganda pa naman. Diba? At saka may mga nangangailangan naman ito guys na tawag dito, hindi maarte, hindi masalan. So, doon natin sa kanila ibibigay sa mga hindi masasalan. Okay? So, that's it for our update. I'll see you again next time, okay? For the next dumpster diving experience. Bye! Hi guys. Good afternoon. Currently, it's 12 o'clock and naglalakad lang kami ngayon dito sa park. Siguro mga 4 rounds lang. Usually, maganda mag-exercise pag umaga. Like mga 8 to 9 kasi okay yung sunrise. Sunrise. Ayan, okay yung araw pagka medyo maaga-aga pa kasi hindi siya masyadong mainit. Pag ganito kasi parang yung init tumutusok na sa iyong balat. So medyo delikado din siya guys, no? Yung sikat ng araw, UV rays, 'di ba? Ang tawag diyan. So medyo delikado din. Pero not all the time naman tayo nagpapainit or naglalakad ng mga ganitong oras. Maganda yung exercise na ganito. Yung walking lang. Not necessarily running. Pero walking is best if you do it every day. Like even 30 to 40 minutes is very beneficial to your body. So that's what we do every day. So lakad-lakad lang. Wala masyadong tao dito sa community namin. Like mostly dito sa mga lugar sa US, hindi masyado yung mga tao naglalabas. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na, alam mo yun, bawat kanto, mga tindahan, mga chismisan, ganyan. Dito is very different. Lahat ng tao dito parang may mga trabaho, wala silang pakialam or nasa loob lang ng bahay. So ayun, walking lang tayo. Habang naglalakad pala kami kanina ni John, may napansin ako na may mga mini libraries pa pala na malapit sa amin. Minsan naglalagayan sila ng mga educational materials, mga coloring books, mga reading books na mga pang elementary or pang high school. Minsan may mga pocket books din. May isa ako nadaanan dito guys, kaso nga lang parang wala na masyadong pagpipilian, parang nakuha na nila. Mag-try tayong mag-ikot-ikot ulit dito kung madami ba tayong makita ulit. And that's it for our daily vlog. Guys, may seryosong tanong ako. Okay lang ba talaga sa inyo na mag-daily vlog ako? Hindi ba kayo nagsasawa na panoorin ako? And by the way, pwede po kayong mag-request sa amin ni John kung ano yung gusto ninyong vlog na gagawin namin. Dumpster diving ba? cooking show ba, more of travel vlogs ba, gardening, or halo-haloin na lang natin. Kayo po ang masusunod kasi kayo po ang nanonood sa amin at nag-e-enjoy. Maraming salamat sa mga nababasa ko na magagandang comments, no, nakakataba na ng puso at nakaka-inspire, no, namomotivate po kami na mag-vlog araw-araw. Again, maraming salamat po. Kung nakaabot ka sa portion ng video na ito, mag-comment lamang po ng red na heart. At kung gusto mo naman na mag-daily vlog tayo, mag-comment ka ng 3 na red na hearts. Diba? Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you again on my next video. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!